Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. And in this lesson, we'll be talking about trigonometry. And this is a question that I want to revise with you. So quickly, if you are new to this page or channel, make sure that you subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment. And it's good to know where you are watching me from. So this is a wonderful question. We are given this triangle that is here. This is a triangle that we are given. The first question is saying calculate ABC. Calculate angle ABC. So for you to know the rule to use under this, we know that under trigonometry we've got what we call the sine rule and the cosine rule. We've got these two things that a student should know before answering a question under cosine or sine rule. So you need to know how to differentiate these two. So what we are going to start with, when do we use the sine rule? We use the sine rule when we are given two angles and a side. So in this question, we are given all the three sides, so we are not supposed to use that. And we use the sine rule when we are given two sides and one angle. Make sure that the two sides are not putting the angle in the middle. Then when do we use the cosine rule? We use the cosine rule when we are given all the three sides. Have you seen? So in this question, are we given all the three sides? Yes, we are given all the three sides. So meaning this question is falling under the cosine rule. And when do we use the cosine rule? Another part is where you're given two sides and one angle. Have you seen where the angle is? The angle is in the middle. So whenever the angle is in the middle, we are supposed to use the cosine rule. So if you are given this side, two sides, and the angle is there, which means that we are supposed to use the what? The cosine rule. But in this case, we are given all the three sides and we are told to find the angle B. Remember, whenever you are given angle ABC, meaning you get the data in the middle, which is B. So we find the angle B, which is there. How can we find the angle B? So for us to find the angle B, what we are going to do is this. Which formula do we use? So what you are going to say, we want to find angle B, you are going to say that cos B is equal to the two sides here, these two sides. So you know that this one, angle A is facing this side. So this is where I've got small letter A, don't forget. This is B. B is facing this side. This is where I've got small letter B. C is facing down here. This is where I've got small letter C. In other words, AB is just the same as C. It is just one and the same. So what you need to do for you to answer this particular question, you say you get these two sides that are put in this angle that you are told, then square them. We've got A and C. So you're going to say A squared plus C squared minus what? Minus now the side that is opposite to the angle which you are told, which is B. So you say minus B squared over 2AC. This is just the formula that you are supposed to know. So this formula should be known. You need to know this formula. This is just the formula that you are supposed to know. You are taught to find this one. You are taught to find this. So if you are taught to find this, you say cos, what you are told, you get these two sides that are put in this angle that you are taught in the middle. So you've got C and A. You know that AB is the same as C, small letter C. And BC is the same as small letter A. It is just one and the same. So this is what we are going to do. Then we just substitute where we are going to say that cos B is equal to, what is my A? My A is 2.5. 2.5 squared plus, what is my C? My C is here, 2.8. 2.8 squared minus B. What is my B? My B is 1. So I say 1 squared over what? Over 2 times A, which is 2.5, times C, which is 2.8. This is just a formula that should be known. So you need to make sure that you know this particular formula, where I'm going to say that cos B is now equal to what? I punch what is on top. You get your calculator, then you begin to punch, where you are going to say 2.5 squared plus 2.8 squared minus 1 squared. What answer are you getting there? We are getting 13.09 over. Then we go down there, we say 2 times 2.5. You can just confirm. I can make a mistake even as I'm typing, but this is what you're supposed to do. I'm getting a 14. Hope you're able to see a 14 there. So now, how do I work out this? So for me to work out this, I say I'll start from here, where I'm going to say that cos what? Cos B is equal to, if I divide there, what answer am I getting? 13.09 divided by 14. What answer are we getting? We are getting 0.935. You want to find what? You want to find B, not cos B. This cos moves to the other side. And when it goes to the other side, we are going to have inverse. We are going to have cos inverse. Cos inverse of what? 0.935. This is what we are going to do. Then you punch this on your calculator, where you say, for you to punch this on your calculator. So for you to punch this on your calculator, you say shift or second function, shift, then you go where cos is. Cos, you're going to see the inverse. Then you say 0.935. What answer are we getting? We are getting 20.77. 20.77 like that. So we say degrees like this. You can do this, or you can just put it to 3 significant figures, where you're going to say 20.8 degrees. So you can conclude and say, therefore, angle ABC, I put something on top there, is equal to what? 20.8 degrees. So this is my answer to that particular question. Like this, you are done. This is what you are supposed to do. So make sure that you understand all these procedures that I'm showing you. Make sure that you understand this concept. So we've answered, the answer there is what? 20.8. Okay, let us now move to the next part. We move to the next part. So this one we've answered, the answer is what? 20.8 degrees. I believe people are learning, you are getting something. So make sure that you are able to understand all these things that I'm doing here. Quickly, we move to another part. I move to another part. So I move to this part that is saying area of triangle ABC. So how do we find the area of this triangle? How do we find the area of a triangle? Area is given by the formula half AB then sine theta. This is a particular formula that we get to use. So for us to apply this formula, what we are going to do is that A and B are the two sides that are putting the theta here in the middle. So we are given this angle here. We found this angle here, which is 20.8. The angle there, we know it. So which means that if I use this angle, I'm going to get these two sides. So I'm just going to say that area is equal to half times 2.8 times 2.5. Then I say sine what? Sine 20.8. Like this. So this is what you are supposed to do. Then I just say area is now equal to. So if I get this theta, these two sides. If the angle is here, which means I get these two sides. If the angle is there, which was given, I get these two. So make sure that you get this and understand this. How do we punch this? 1 over 2 is just same as 0.5 times 2.8 times 2.5, then I say sine. Sine what? I say sine. We say sine. What answer are we getting? What is our answer? Sine 20.8. What is our answer? According to my calculator, the answer that I'm getting is 1.242.874, like this. So you can confirm with your calculator, but these are the same procedures that you are supposed to do. So you can confirm with your calculator if you are getting this. If you are not getting this, then that's maybe there's a mistake, but I'm sure there is no mistake here. So let me just go through 0.5 times 2.8 times 2.5. Some people say times sine 20.8. What is our answer? Getting the same answer. So round it off, 1.24 kilometer squared. Kilometer squared area should have a square like this. Have you seen? This is what I'm supposed to do. I'm done with this. I'm now go to the last question. I go to the last question now. The last question is saying, this is the last question that is saying, calculate the shortest distance from B to AC. Shortest distance from where? From B. So you are calculating the shortest distance from B to AC. This shortest distance from here to there. So the formula for the shortest distance, it is just this one, where you are going to say that area, the area that you want to, the height that you want to find is equal to what? You just say 2A over B. This is the formula for what? Shortest distance. Where this one is the area, this one is the area, then this one is the base where it is rounding. Have you seen? So now you just substitute in this formula where you say shortest distance is equal to 2 times area. Area is here, 1.24 over. What is the base? Where it is rounding. The base is this one, AC, because it's coming from B going to AC. So this one is the base. So what is the base? AC. AC, where is AC? AC, we've got 1. Okay, 1, wonderful. We put a 1 here. Then if I punch, what answer am I getting? What answer am I getting if I punch on my calculator? I'm getting 2.485. I can end there. Then where I can just conclude and say the shortest distance is equal to what? 2.49 kilometers. So this is my what? This is my shortest distance according to this particular question. If I'm told to answer it like that, this is what I'm supposed to do. So these are things that you need to know. This is what you need to get and understand. Like this, you are done. This is what you are supposed to do. These are things that we need to know and understand. So if there is someone that wants tuition with me, don't waste time. This is the only time that you have for you to start tuitions with me. Make sure you WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Make sure that you WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Make sure that you register with me. Mathematics, it's only 100 kwacha monthly, and I teach on a daily basis, Monday to Friday. Thank you so much.